Hey everyone, this is Joey at Alpha Mortgage Advantage and wanted to send a quick note out to all of my realtor friends today, just kind of as a, if you will, a little bit of a market update and also just sort of a cautionary tale, if you will, about clients. I think everyone probably knows now that we're in a rising rate market. Rates have already gone up, certainly in the last couple of weeks, but really we've seen them start climbing since November. This is pretty much all loan types, all borrowers, just across the board. One of the things that I think agents should really be aware of is that I think you probably all know, your interest rate can obviously affect a person's buying power. So for any clients that you've had pre-approved over the last couple months that might still be out there looking at homes, and certainly we know the home buying process is taking longer and longer to find a house and get an offer accepted. But if you've got someone that was pre-approved maybe 2 months, 3 months ago, honestly, even a month or so ago, I would say you really want to make sure, maybe just with a quick shout out to whoever the lender is, hopefully me, but whoever the lender is, to make sure that the client is in fact still pre-approved for the house before writing an offer. I am enormously cognizant of the risk that contracts pose these days with rising amounts of due diligence being required and the money that clients are putting on the line. The last thing I ever want is for a client to lose their due diligence or earnest money. So, a client who maybe had really high debt to income ratio limits, maybe it's a conventional loan, 50% is too high, 49.9 is good on a conventional loan, just as an example. Maybe they were someone that when they were pre-approved, they were 48.9% and perfectly fine at that time, but now because of a higher interest rate, they might be 51%, so they would no longer be approved. Oftentimes there's things, if it's a small amount like that, we might have them pay off a credit card or maybe buy their rate down, look for cheaper insurance. There's ways we can sometimes get around that. But ultimately, for someone with those high ratios, it could potentially be a problem. So again, nothing at all that I'm trying to scare anyone with, but I just think it's wise and prudent to know these things and be aware of them. So if you've got any clients that have been pre-approved in recent months, definitely I would say just, have them recheck, have the lender recheck the numbers, make sure everything's still good with today's rates if they haven't locked in. If anyone has any questions, as always, please feel free, reach out to me. My direct number is 910-250-8888. Hope everyone has a great week and look forward to working with everyone in 2022. Thanks so much.